Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. Now I am crossing the border of Croatia. We started from Maribor via Flixbus to Zagreb, which is the capital city of Croatia. At border they check passports, visa and stamp on it. Just at the city center, you see this architectural model of Zagreb city. We are in Zagreb now. It's raining cats and dogs. Now we are going to our first stop. It's difficult to find on Google Maps. In the art park, we saw this wall painting of Gulliver's Travels from a comic book. And now we are at Cathedral of Zagreb in Capital, which is the tallest building in Croatia. And then we took the walking tour where this local guide took us to all the places in Zagreb.
Coming here to tell you some portraits in the summertime. It is like in Paris, Montmartre. So combination of these two words makes this Straßenmarkt. It is the most popular place in Zagreb, especially in the summertime, because here there is a stage. So every day in the summertime, from end of May until the end of September, we have another concert here. So it is the most popular place. People coming here, they are dancing, they are drinking.
Told me I was not the type, but I was scared. Closer with every shot, closer to losing control. You didn't like me,
Bell strings, because the main function of these cannon is to synchronize the church bells.
And is it possible that I can stay with you if you ain't busy? I can make it worth your easy possible. Excuse my indiscretion, but
So now we are here in this park with some of these Croatian invents. So one of them was penkala. Penkala invented mechanical pencil and fountain pen.
Okay, I am in front of the St. Mark Church. It's freezing cold here, so I couldn't vlog much. And behind me there is a office of president. So they don't have any guards and all. President sits here. Kamenita. Kamen is stone and Ita is gate. So this is the stone gate of Zagreb city.
And this work isn't possible. That I can change the way you see me. You see me. Yeah. And is it possible that I can stay with you if you ain't busy? I can make it worth you. Is it possible? This ain't even about taking you home tonight. Wanna take it.
Then we went to Museum of Broken Relationships, where there are personal objects displayed from all the lovers who broke up with their girlfriends or boyfriends.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you.
Then we went to the central market where farmers were selling organic fruits and vegetables, and we bought some of them.
Price of the 10 konas. It's very cheap price.
At last we went to Museum of Football of Zagreb, where there were all the souvenirs of players, team and all the medals they have won till now. Done with the Zagreb tour. Now we are in the city center to enjoy some shopping and all. We had our dinner at Bombay Grill restaurant. It is a Indian restaurant in Zagreb. It's very cold here and I couldn't vlog like this. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.